Uptown Swing level.
1,
Peter.
ready.
Let's go. Okay. That's all I had. You guys did great. You danced it up. You have everything you need to go out dancing. You should do that. We'll just show you the couple of new things we did tonight. There weren't so many. We did the inside turn with a catch. Rock, step, triple step, psych. So rock, step, triple step, rock, step. This one's on my normal foot. That's the funny foot. I just need it. It's not prescribed. We just need to do it. Yeah, so if you get the body right, that's great. The feet will come later. Don't even sweat it. Technically, it ain't couch. Then we did the cuddle. Rock, step, triple step. Make it comfy, lots of space. And we go right out of there. Don't stay in there too long, it's weird. And you could do the reverse right here. Rock, step, triple step, reverse step, triple step, rock, step, triple step, rock, step, triple step. Then we had y'all just dance around. You did a great job and just mix it up. We'll show you all the stuff we did the whole time. Hey, we danced here. We danced out here. We danced here. We did it like this. We did it like this. We did a whole bunch of stuff. We did Frankie Sixes. Hey, Hey, We did the stop and shake, bam. 5, 6, 7, hey ho. We did this time. We put that little reverse on there. Hey. You can always put those together for your old peanut butter and jelly of swing dancing. That always works. We got the cuddle. We threw it in there. You can do that same thing with the reverse like we just did. That's a whole night of dancing right there, everybody. And that was it. Oh, yeah.